Plastic pollution has a profound and detrimental impact on marine life, posing a serious threat to the health of oceans and their ecosystems. The consequences of plastic pollution extend to a wide range of marine organisms, affecting species at various levels of the food chain. Here are some of the key impacts of plastic pollution on marine life. Entanglement. Marine animals such as seals, sea lions, sea turtles, and birds can become entangled in plastic debris. Entanglement can lead to injuries, deformities, amputations, and, in severe cases, death. Ingestion. Many marine species, from zooplankton to large mammals, mistakenly ingest plastic particles and debris. Ingested plastics can cause blockages, internal injuries, and malnutrition, leading to long-term health issues and mortality. Chemical contamination. Plastics can absorb and accumulate harmful chemicals from the surrounding water, including persistent organic pollutants, POPs, and heavy metals. When ingested, these toxic substances can transfer to marine organisms, causing harm and potentially entering the human food chain. Microplastics. The breakdown of larger plastic items into tiny particles called microplastics poses a significant threat to marine life. Microplastics can be ingested by a wide range of organisms, including filter feeders like mussels and plankton, causing harm at the base of the marine food web. Habitat degradation. Accumulation of plastic debris on the seafloor, beaches, and coastal areas can alter marine habitats. Plastic pollution can smother coral reefs, damage seagrass beds, and disrupt the natural balance of ecosystems. Altered feeding behaviors. Ingested plastics can give marine animals a false sense of fullness, leading to reduced food consumption and malnutrition. Altered feeding behaviors can affect growth rates, reproductive success, and overall fitness of marine species. Transport of invasive species. Floating plastics can serve as vectors for transporting invasive species across oceans. Attached organisms, such as barnacles and algae, can hitchhike on plastic debris and colonize new regions, potentially disrupting local ecosystems. Loss of biodiversity. The impacts of plastic pollution contribute to the decline of marine biodiversity. Species that are particularly vulnerable to plastic pollution may face population declines or even extinction, disrupting ecosystem dynamics. Impacts on fisheries. Plastic pollution can affect fish populations and fisheries. Ingestion of microplastics by fish can lead to bioaccumulation of toxins, potentially impacting human health when contaminated fish are consumed. Disruption of reproductive processes. Plastic pollution can interfere with the reproductive processes of marine animals. Ingested plastics may disrupt hormone systems, leading to reproductive abnormalities and reduced reproductive success. Economic impact. Plastic pollution has economic implications for industries such as fisheries, tourism, and coastal economies. Cleanup efforts, damage to infrastructure, and the decline of marine resources can result in economic losses. Long-term persistence. Plastics can persist in the marine environment for hundreds of years, exacerbating the long-term impact on marine ecosystems. Accumulation of plastic waste in oceans continues to grow, posing an ongoing threat to marine life. Addressing plastic pollution in marine environments requires a multifaceted approach, including reducing plastic production and consumption, improving waste management practices, promoting recycling, and raising awareness about the environmental consequences of plastic pollution. Efforts to mitigate plastic pollution are essential to protect the health and resilience of marine ecosystems and the diverse species that inhabit them.